a problem. My parents love to save their leftovers, but sometimes they save them for way too long and the food in the fridge is way too old, just like in the poem Deep in Our Refrigerator by Jack Pritlutsky. Deep in our refrigerator, there's a special place for food that's been around a while. We keep it just in case. It's probably too old to eat, my mother likes to say, but I don't think it's old enough for me to throw away. It stays there for a month or more to rot out in the cold. And soon, we notice fuzzy clumps of multicolored mold. The clumps get larger every day. We notice this as well. But mostly what we notice is a certain special smell. When finally it all becomes a nasty mass of slime, my mother takes it out and says, "Apparently it's time." She dumps it in the garbage can, though not without regret, then fills the space with other food that's not so ancient yet.